Hello ẹ̀yin tèmi, welcome back to today's tutorial. You know this head wrap is speaking. If you want to see how I do it, stay around and let's do this together, guys. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make my foundational pleats, 2 pleats. That is what I made, but you can make more than that, okay? After making your pleats, you're going to raise one hand on top again like this, and you're going to continue with the pleats. Okay, I forgot to tell you that the deviation for this head wrap should go like 40-60, which means one part is going to be shorter than the other. So the one I'm placing first on my head is going to be my 40. Yes, so I place my 40 first and I pleat everything down. So that's the second process. Okay, the first one, make your foundational pleats, take it round and cross it to the front, pick the 40 parts, put it on your head and pleat everything down. How we get? So once you are done with that, next thing you're going to do is pin that, all the pleats you made, pin it down. Okay, you don't really need to pin it down, but for securing, since you don't have anybody to hold for you, it is operation do it yourself. So I pin it down so I will be able to work with the other part. So I picked the other part, which is my 60, and I pleat everything down as well, the way it is in this video, guys. I pleat everything down. Okay, before I proceed with my explanation, let me tell my people that if you haven't followed, please hit the follow button and follow for more headwrap tutorials. Subscribe to my channel, guys. So I've pleated everything, and you see that pleat didn't really go far. I just make that pleat, place it on the head. The video is explaining better, so focus more on the video than my talk. Okay, guys, so I place it, then the leftover of the 40 parts, I use it round that one of the 60 parts. Okay, so after rolling it round, I pin it, which makes it secured. So when I'm done with that, you see this flap that remain up. See, I'm just going to close it up, fold it up like this, and take the edges from this side to meet the pleat I made, and I'm going to pin it down. So guys, that is that. So the other part, we're going to close the flap as well, and we're going to pin it together, and it will stand on its own. The remaining decoration depends on your hand, how you can stretch and do all of that. So I'm working with the other edge now, where I'm going to closing it up, and I want to pin it down, guys. Okay, so I'll just pin it down and I'm good to go. So I'm shifting it backward. You know, beauty of the gate is to shift to make beautiful pleats, and here is the outcome, my people. That is how I achieved that edge wrap. Hope you love this, guys. Let me know in the comment section. Like, share, and do follow for more. Yes, hit the follow button on Facebook and subscribe on YouTube channel. I'll see you in my next video. Stay blessed.